In today's digital age, businesses need every advantage they can get. ONPASSIVE steps in as an AI-driven platform, ready to supercharge your online presence. Imagine automating key tasks from marketing to sales and freeing yourself to focus on what matters most: growth. Led by tech visionary Ash Mufareh, ONPASSIVE empowers entrepreneurs worldwide. It offers a unique opportunity to tap into the power of passive income. This means building a system that works for you even while you sleep. ONPASSIVE isn't just about working smarter, it's about working differently. It's about leveraging cutting-edge technology to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. It's about taking control of your financial future and building a business that fits your life, not the other way around. ONPASSIVE provides a comprehensive suite of tools and applications within a unified ecosystem. Think of it as your all-in-one digital toolbox. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, ONPASSIVE provides the resources you need to succeed online. But before we get started, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks. The beauty of ONPASSIVE lies in its potential for passive income generation. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. ONPASSIVE's affiliate program, centered around the OConnect product, makes this a reality. OConnect is a game changer in the world of online communication, offering high-definition audio and video conferencing with features like screen sharing, recording, and chat. Here's the exciting part. As an ONPASSIVE affiliate, you earn a 100% commission on your first OConnect sale. That's right, your initial investment is recouped with a single sale. But it doesn't stop there. You continue to earn a 25% commission on all subsequent sales, creating a sustainable stream of passive income. ONPASSIVE has plans to introduce even more products in the future, each with its own unique earning potential. This means your income streams can continue to grow and diversify over time. ONPASSIVE goes beyond just income generation. It provides a comprehensive ecosystem of tools designed to streamline your entire online business. Need a professional website? ONPASSIVE has you covered with its intuitive website builder. Want to harness the power of email marketing? OMail, ONPASSIVE's next-generation email platform, is here to help. From social media management tools to SEO optimization features, ONPASSIVE equips you with everything you need to establish a commanding online presence. Manage your social media, track your website traffic, and optimize your content, all within a single user-friendly dashboard. The ONPASSIVE ecosystem is designed to be your one-stop shop for all your online business needs. It's about simplifying the complexities of the digital world and empowering you to focus on what matters most, growing your business and achieving your goals. Section 4. Spreading the word. ONPASSIVE's marketing strategies. ONPASSIVE understands the power of a strong online presence. That's why they've implemented a robust marketing strategy that leverages the reach of social media and the intimacy of email marketing. You'll find ONPASSIVE actively engaging with its community on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, sharing valuable content and fostering meaningful connections. But it's not just about broadcasting a message, it's about building relationships. ONPASSIVE utilizes email marketing to deliver targeted content directly to your inbox, keeping you informed about the latest updates, product releases, and income-generating opportunities. This two-pronged approach ensures that ONPASSIVE's message reaches a wide audience, while also nurturing individual relationships, fostering trust, and establishing the brand as a leader in the online business space. Section 5. Proceed with caution, addressing concerns and looking ahead. While ONPASSIVE presents a compelling opportunity, it's crucial to approach any business venture with a healthy dose of caution and due diligence. It's essential to thoroughly research and understand any company before making a financial commitment. Remember, building a successful business, even with the help of powerful tools like ONPASSIVE, requires effort, dedication, and a strategic mindset. There's no such thing as get rich quick. Approach this opportunity with a balanced perspective, weighing both the potential benefits and the inherent risks. By doing so, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. For more information about ONPASSIVE, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.